If you want a good brand to fulfill all the needs of your home, a company where we make products based on all values and quality parameters. Mr. Mahesh Rathi, the owner of Lister Lighting, has worked hard to fulfill their goals.
We are entered in LED light manufacturing since 2015. Set up cluster of 4 manufacturing units. Edson Group having a vast experience of manufacturing of electronic items like mobile accessory, LED lights. We have a complete house of manufacturing facility which helps to control the price and quality.
These are plant for particular indoor lights production setup. In SMT, we use the world's best machines to make LED lights and testing by on automatic machines. LED onto printed circuit boards, PCBs, automatic printer, lead-free reflow oven, PCB manufacturing, also known as printed circuit board. Lister Lighting's we are manufacturer of indoor and architecture lighting. We produce all the products in our plant under the best supervision. We won another plant for particular outdoor lights production setup. LED outdoor lights are a great way to illuminate your property while saving on energy costs. They come in a variety of styles to suit your needs. Range of outdoor lightings as floodlights. Die casting is a manufacturing process used to create metal parts with high precision and intricate details, which makes it suitable for components like street light housings. Powder coating is a popular finish for metals due to its durability and aesthetic appeal. Injection molding, we prepare plastic models of all lights of indoor like recessed lights and panel lights in plastic injection molding. Create designs for the packaging that include visual elements like graphics and logos and functional aspects like dimensions and openings. Create prototypes to test the design, functionality and durability. R&D used to innovation in your business. These may be in terms of new products and service. We have highly qualified professionals for doing the jobs in sales, marketing, developers and admin staff. Have proper store management system to set up finished goods. Team is consistently monitoring planning and following system and process in business operation. Energy and dynamic team of Lister is ready to top any challenges of business operation.